look at that glare. Hey everybody. While Mom is at the grocery store and Dad is manning the yard sale, I'm over here at the Goodwill finding the Green Lantern game. Green Lantern Power of the Ring game. The path is filled with excitement and danger. Will you master the 4 constructs that you need to defeat Parallax? When you arrive at the lantern with the ring, press on the lantern to see the result. An unlit ring means you have to go back on the track, and a lit ring means you won. Light up the ring and recite the Green Lantern Oath. Also, found a Punisher Bandom from 1989. Got all these for less than $5. Can sell that Punisher Bandom by itself for probably $10. So let's take a gander at the Green Lantern game. I can see that. So what you're supposed to do is master the constructs. And win the game. It has this like little mechanism at the final battle. You snap into place, and then you hit the button, and one, it will either be a lit ring or a not lit ring. Comes with this pretty cool Green Lantern ring. Just lights up, but I don't know if you can tell. Here's the rules. I sell this, but sell for $10 and double my money. There's the die. 2 sides, 3 sides are Green Lantern, 3 sides are not. There's a movement die. There's characters you can be. Looks like it's supposed to have to be Sinestro. I guess you can be this guy. Looks like it, I guess, missing 2 of the players, I guess. Got these surprise attack cards. Construct any, none, the hand, scorpion, gun, forehand, scorpion or griffin. So you can construct different constructs. There's Green Lantern. And there's another one of the Green Lantern Corps. And here's the constructs. You got the gun, the griffin, the hand, and the scorpion. Once you construct all 4 of those, you mastered the art of construction, and you can go to the final battle and win. Anyway, remember, God's good all the time. All the time, God is good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves, Jesus God, Jesus Lord, Jesus King. Jesus ruler, everything. And check your Goodwill for good stuff. Later.